Now, let us look at the mistakes and corrections of BHUNAMANASANA, greeting the earth pose. The first mistake to correct here is both the legs. You should not have gap between the legs. Make sure both the legs are together. Toes firm. The next correction here would be the hands. Without placing your hands properly, you cannot make a proper twist. So let's look at the correction of your hands. Now, if she's placing the hands too far away, you cannot bend. It's wrong. Too close, palms too close is also not right. So make sure you have proper distance. For example, she's placing her right palm right in line with her hip and the left palm a little away. So you should make sure you have a proper comfortable distance. You can't measure the space. Make sure you have comfortable distance. And now you need to twist and bend down. Now, the next correction here would be when you bend, most people tend to lift the hip also up, the butt, especially the upper butt. So when you bend, make sure you rest the butt down and twist down as much as possible. It's not mandatory that at first itself you need to touch your forehead to the ground. It takes time. Slowly and gradually please twist, trying to keep the hip down. This is the correct posture of BHUNAMANASANA.